Energy. Highlights of the lesson. Forms of energy. Types of energy. Renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. We learn. Living things get energy from the food they eat. Energy is required to carry out different activities. We get energy in different forms. Energy lights our cities, power our vehicles, and run machinery in factories. It warms and cools our homes, cooks our food, plays our music, and gives us pictures on television. Energy is defined as the ability or the capacity to do work. We use energy to do work and to make all movements. When we eat, our bodies transform the food into energy to do work. When we run or walk or do some work, we burn energy in our bodies. Cars, planes, trolley, boats and machinery also transform energy into work. Work means moving or lifting something, warming or lighting something. There are many sources of energy that help us to run the various machines invented by man. The rate at which energy is produced or consumed is called power. Energy and power are the master words in this century. Energy means the capacity to do work. Energy resources on Earth are of following types. Forms of energy. Nuclear energy. Nuclear fission inside the Earth's core. Nuclear fusion, sun and stars. Mechanical energy. Leaping frog. Moving automobiles. Thermal energy. Melting of ice cream. Heating soup. Electromagnetic energy. Visible light. Infrared radiation. Radio waves. Electrical energy. Power lines. Lighting. Chemical energy. Food people eat. Striking a matchstick. Types of energy. There are two types of energy. Renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. Renewable energy. These are biomass-based and available in unlimited amount in nature because there can be renewal over relatively short period of time. Example: firewood, plant biomass, agriculture waste of biogas, animal dung, solar energy, wind energy, water energy. Types of renewable energy. Solar energy. Most renewable energy comes either directly or indirectly from the sun. Sunlight or solar energy can be used directly for heating and lighting homes and other buildings, for generating electricity, and for hot water heating, solar cooling, and a variety of commercial and industrial uses. Solar energy now powers everything from portable radios to homes, stores, and neighborhoods. Biomass. Along with the rain and snow, sunlight causes plants to grow. The organic matter that makes up those plants is known as biomass. Biomass can be used to produce electricity, transportation fuels, or chemicals. The use of biomass for any of these purposes is called bioenergy. Plant materials, such as wood, corn, and soy, account for nearly half the renewable energy. Wind energy. The sun's heat also drives the winds, whose energy is captured with wind turbines. Then, the wind and the sun's heat cause water to evaporate. When this water vapor turns into rain or snow and flows downhill into rivers or streams, its energy can be captured using hydroelectric power. Geothermal energy. The process involves trapping heat underground, then building energy that rises near the surface in the form of heat. When this heat naturally creates hot water or steam, it is harnessed and then used to turn a steam turbine to generate electricity. Reservoirs of steam and hot water beneath the Earth's surface hold enormous potential as a renewable energy resource. Hydropower energy. The energy in the flowing water can be used to produce electricity. Waves result from the interaction of the wind with the surface of the sea and represent a transfer of energy from the wind to the sea. Energy can be extracted from tides by creating a reservoir or basin behind a barrage and then passing tidal waters through turbines in the barrage to generate electricity. Non-renewable or exhaustible energy resources. These are available in limited amount and develop over long period of time. Example: coal, mineral oil, natural gas, and nuclear power. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are common sources of energy, being organic in origin. They are called as fossil fuels. Types of non-renewable energy. Fossil fuel. A fuel that is formed in the earth from dead plants or animals. Fossil fuels include coal, petroleum, and natural gas. They all contain carbon and were formed as a result of geologic processes acting on the remains of plants and animals that lived and died hundreds of millions of years ago. Coal. A black or brownish-black solid combustible substance formed by the partial decomposition of vegetable matter without free access of air and under the influence of moisture and often increased pressure and temperature, that is widely used as a natural fuel. Natural gas. A mixture of hydrogen gases that occurs with petroleum deposits, principally methane, together with varying quantities of ethane, propane, butane, and other gases, and is used as a fuel in the manufacture of organic compounds. Natural gas is used for cooking and heating as well as making a number of products such as plastics, fertilizers, and medicines. Do you know? Sound produces relatively lesser energy in comparison to other forms of energy. Nuclear power. In most electrical plants, water is heated and converted into steam, which drives a turbine generator to produce electricity. Fossil-fueled power plants produce heat by burning coal, oil, or natural gas. In nuclear power plants, the fission of uranium atoms in the reactor provides the heat to produce steam for generating electricity. Do you know? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. Let's recall. Energy is the capacity to do work. Energy can be classified as renewable or non-renewable energy. Most renewable energy comes from the sun. The energy in the flowing water can be used as electricity. Fossil fuels supply nearly 90% of all energy, and it is used by industries. Natural gas used for cooking purposes. Natural gas is also used for making of products such as plastics, fertilizers, and medicines. Fossil-fueled power plants produce heat by burning coal, oil, or natural gas. Glossary. Machinery. A machine is a physical system using power to apply forces and control movement to perform an action. Power. The rate of doing work. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy in the nucleus, or core, of an atom. Mechanical energy. The energy of motion, or the energy of an object that moves. Thermal energy. The energy contained within a system that is responsible for its temperature. Electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic waves are a form of energy waves that have both an electric and magnetic field. Electrical energy. Electricity is a type of energy that comes from the flow of electrical power, also known as a charge. Chemical energy. A substance's potential to transform into other substances. Renewable energy. The energy that does not exhaust. X. Wind, water, air, etc. Non-renewable energy. The energy that gets exhausted. X. Coal. Combustible. Capable of being burned.